What's up guys, today we'll talk about on how to make money on Pinterest, and I will give you some ideas what you can use in order to get sales on your affiliate links. So what we'll do now is if you still do not have Pinterest account, you should probably register there, add your logo, website. Here you can see how many views you got on your pins. Here you can see how many pins I have. Mostly I created software what automatically add pins to, well, it's not software, it's a script what automatically add pins to Pinterest. But you can do also this manually, and let me give you some ideas what can help you to get sales there. So here is affiliate program for Fiverr, and what I will do now, I will simply get some for example, I'll go to video editing section, and here are all gigs for Fiverr for graphic services. So let's select, for example, this gig. So let's this gig. I'll check it in new window in order to see if I have copied link correctly. Yes, everything is seems to be alright, so I will copy link, and now I will generate deep link. Deep link, it's affiliate link. I will also include a tracking code in order to see from where I am receiving sales. Here I will type in Pinterest, and here I need to paste link. Press enter. So here is link what I have received. So now let's copy and go back to Pinterest, and let's create new pin. Create pin, save from website, let's press enter. Okay, I'll select this one. Here is the link. Let's add some text here. On Fiverr. Okay, seems to be good. Let's create board. Let's name it like Fiverr Gigs. Let's click on create, and our first pin will be published. So let's see how it looks like. So on a click, people will be visited to our referral link, our affiliate link, and we will get commission if people will register. Okay. So here's our gig. So now we need to simply add more and more gigs, and we'll start. So we added just one gig, so we need to add like 100 gigs, and follow some people who are in video editing, and then we will start receiving commissions. So this is how it works, like, guys. As you can see, really simple. And if you will post too many links, too many affiliate links on social platform like Pinterest, they may send you a warning or even delete your pins. So in order to, if you want to massively add links, I recommend you to register your domain name, and then download, if you are using WordPress, you should download a plugin called Pretty Links. When you will download this plugin, you can create redirect. So for example, check this out. This is pretty link for my affiliate link for Udemy course. So let me show you how it works. So uh, I have a link on my website. If I will click on it, it will be redirected on affiliate Udemy link on this one. So as you can see, that link looks much better than redirected link. So I hope you understand the idea. So now what we need to do is we can grab all these services from Fiverr and create tons of pins, add them here. Some of them will be visible on Google search. People will be people will see such link and click on picture or here, and they will be, or even here, yeah, and they will be redirected to affiliate link. So easiest way how to get commissions like this. Of course, you can promote different services, not only Fiverr, so tons of different services to promote. So if you like this idea, please comment under this video and let me know what you think about this idea, about this strategy. Okay guys, hope to see you soon in comment section. Bye.